To add FTP in GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to the My Account page. From there, click on the Web Hosting tab and select the hosting account you want to add FTP to. In the Account Settings section, click on the FTP Manager icon. This will take you to the FTP Accounts page, where you can create a new FTP account. Click on the Add FTP Account button and fill in the required information, including the FTP username, password, and directory. Choose a strong and unique password for your FTP account, and make sure to select the correct directory for your FTP user. You can choose to give the FTP user access to the entire public_HTML directory or a subdirectory. Once you have filled in the required information, click on the Add Account button to create the new FTP account. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the account has been created successfully. To connect to your FTP account, you will need to use an FTP client such as FileZilla. Download and install the FTP client on your computer. Then launch the application and click on the Site Manager button. Enter the FTP host, which is usually your website's domain name or the server name provided by GoDaddy. Enter the FTP username and password you created earlier, and select the correct port number, which is usually 21. Click on the Connect button to establish a connection to your FTP account. You will see a list of files and directories on your website, and you can upload, download, and manage files as needed. Best practices for using FTP include using a secure connection, keeping your FTP password confidential, and limiting access to your FTP account to only those who need it. Regularly update your FTP client and keep your operating system and software up to date to prevent security vulnerabilities. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add FTP to your GoDaddy account and manage your website's files securely and efficiently.